TDK's EPCOS brand ERU series of helical power inductors feature a very low profile, high rated current, low DC resistance, and large contact area. These inductors have a flat rectangular top surface that is ideal for pick-and-place process. The self-leaded construction and underbody termination allow for automated, repeatable assembly. There are 5 package sizes within this ERU series, with rated inductance values ranging from 0.44 microhenries to 35 microhenries, saturation currents of up to 71 amps, and operating temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius up to 150 degrees Celsius. This series of inductors is well suited for industrial or telecommunication applications, with several of the inductor sizes being AEC Q200 qualified, which makes them ideal for automotive applications.